Are you preparing for a Vipassana retreat? Feeling a mix of excitement and fear is completely normal. Vipassana is a profound journey of self-discovery, but it also comes with challenges, physical discomfort, emotional waves, and silence. This guided meditation and visualization will help you mentally and emotionally prepare for the experience. Let's build the resilience, confidence, and self-acceptance you need to embrace this transformative journey. Take a moment to find a comfortable position. Sit or lie down in a way that feels natural for you. Close your eyes and bring your attention inward. Take 3 deep breaths with me. Inhale deeply through your nose. Hold it for a moment. And exhale gently through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply. And exhale slowly, releasing any tension in your body. One more time, inhale calm. And exhale peace. Now, feel your body settling into stillness, preparing to journey inward. Let's connect with your body. Starting at the top of your head, slowly bring your awareness downward. Feel your forehead soften. Relax your eyes and jaw. Move your focus to your neck, shoulders, and arms. Notice any tension there, and just let it be. Now bring your awareness to your chest, your back, and your belly. Take a deep breath here. Feel your hips, thighs, knees, and calves. Finally, focus on your feet. Feel them connected to the ground beneath you, steady and grounded. With every breath, feel yourself becoming more present. Now, silently repeat these affirmations to yourself. I am strong enough to face discomfort. Pain is temporary, my awareness is eternal. I welcome whatever arises with courage and curiosity. As you repeat these words, imagine a warm, golden light filling your body from head to toe. This light represents your inner strength. Let it surround and support you. Now, visualize yourself arriving at the Vipassana Center. Feel the air around you, hear the quiet sounds of nature, and sense the calm atmosphere. Picture yourself entering the meditation hall, sitting with others who share your intention. See yourself sitting in stillness, observing your breath and body with patience. Imagine moments of discomfort, perhaps back pain or restlessness. Watch how you respond. You acknowledge the discomfort without resistance. You remind yourself, this is just a sensation. It will pass. Now, imagine difficult thoughts or emotions arising, fear, frustration, or self-doubt. See them as clouds passing through the sky. They come and they go. You remain steady, breathing deeply, observing, and letting go. Visualize yourself completing all 10 days. You feel proud, peaceful, and transformed. See yourself reflecting on the journey, filled with gratitude for the strength and awareness you've cultivated. Take a moment to feel gratitude for this journey. Gratitude for the opportunity to explore your inner world. Gratitude for the strength you're cultivating, right here and now. Say to yourself, I am grateful for this opportunity to grow. I trust in my ability to stay present and open. Let this gratitude settle in your heart, radiating warmth and peace through your entire being. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take one last deep breath and open your eyes, carrying this calm and confidence with you. Thank yourself for taking this time to prepare for your Vipassana retreat. You are stronger and more ready than you realize. Remember, this journey is about observing, not controlling. Trust the process and trust yourself. Thank you for joining me. Wishing you peace and strength on your Vipassana journey. If you found this meditation helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who may benefit. Let's support each other on this incredible path of self-discovery. Namaste. Thank you for meditating with me. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. This helps my channel a lot. Or share your experience with your meditation in the comments. Come back daily to build your habit. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow.